What is mathematics? This question has been at the heart of a long debate over what should really constitute quality math education. Now, math education has been under scrutiny for a long time, but why is it that in schools today, only a handful of students really thrive in mathematics, while so many others are alienated and disengaged? Now, in this speech, we are going to examine how math has traditionally been taught, and then we are going to look at a specific reform effort that's been put in place to really initiate a fundamental paradigm shift as to how the world perceives and maybe even enjoys mathematics. Now, traditionally, math has been taught in a very rote procedural fashion. And many people believe this is how math should be taught. It's probably how they were taught. And they think math is very concrete, has right and wrong answers, and learning algorithms and doing it in a very rote way is the way math should be taught. But there have been many so-called experts in math education that have tried reform to the math curriculum for many years. Going back to the 1960s, there was the new math, where topics included were modular arithmetic, abstract algebra, and working in bases other than base 10, whatever that means. So there were many people that were opposed to this new math, and it didn't last very long. Teachers as well as parents thought that a lot of the topics was too far outside of students' understanding and was basically confusing everybody. And so the teaching methods went back to a more traditional way. The new math didn't last very long. But then you fast forward to more recent, you have the Common Core standards, and again, there's a lot of opposition. Again, it's a lot of teachers and parents who say that this is really confusing students. So, yet as we continue to hear about the importance of mathematics in today's careers, we have countless students and even highly educated people who are proud to say they have no interest in math. So now let's take a look at this specific effort that's been trying to change the global perception of what mathematics is. This is called the Global Math Project, and it was founded by James Campion, who works for the Mathematical Association of America. His official title is actually Mathematician at Large. He's the author of over 10 books on mathematics, curriculum, and education, and he got his PhD in mathematics from Princeton in 1994. He is committed to sharing the delight and beauty, as he says, of the subject. His bold vision is that each and every person on this planet could see mathematics as relevant, creative, human, meaningful, delightful, intriguing, mysterious, and uplifting. Those are words that I'm going to assume that most of you probably don't associate with mathematics. Now, every year, the Global Math Project will host a very special Global Math Week where they roll out a very specific mathematical story, what James calls a very intriguing, joyful, and uplifting mathematical story that's directly related to the classroom experience where teachers can share with their students during this special Global Math Week. And the very first Global Math Week is actually coming up very soon, actually a week from today, October 10th, 2017, so 10/10/2017. And this first topic is called Exploding Dots, which has been quoted as saying to be the most mind-blowing, astounding story of K through 12 and beyond mathematics in one amazing hit. But sadly, I don't think I have time to go into what Exploding Dots is right now. But I just want to take a look at another lead ambassador to the Global Math Project, Sunil Singh, who is a math consultant for Scholab in Montreal, Canada. He's also written for the New York Times number play section, and he's just written a book called Pie of Life, The Hidden Happiness of Mathematics, that was released last August. And I would like to leave you with a quote from this book. Sunil says, "It's time to go deep within ourselves with mathematics as our gentle guide and discover what always has, It's time to go deep within ourselves with mathematics as our gentle guide and discover what has always truly been mathematics' most important contribution to us, happiness. In our sometimes exhausting search for joy and meaning in life, we somehow neglected to examine the softer yolk inside math's shell. That beauty and joy of life have always been available. The happiness of mathematics awaits you. Thank you. I would have kept it under 5 if I didn't restart that.